A respiratory system. What is this? This is the respiratory system showing model. Showing model. Now see here the one by one various parts are included in this system. Okay. Now we can see observe this model. I am showing that this is what are these? These are the entry starting holes. It is called in nose, and these are the nostrils. Nostrils. Hey, don't slip. See here. This is the nostrils, and this is the nasal cavity. What is this? Nasal cavity. Then this is the it is a nasal cavity, and the nasal cavity is what contain nasal cavity means inner side the mucus, inner side the mucus, and what are growing inner side means inner side growing in hairs also. What growing? Hairs also. What is the role of air and mucus means? Here air side mucus remove of the dust particles. Remove of the dust particles. Then again air comes into which part means pharynx. Where comes from the air? Pharynx. It is the digestive. It is the mouth, and it is also comes from pharynx. Pharynx is the common passage of food and respiratory tract. Food and respiratory tract. Now see here, this is the respiratory system. Comes from also there means pharynx, and it is also digestive system. It is the mouth. Here we can take the mouth. We can take food substances comes from to pharynx. What will happen here? Pharynx. Pharynx here some muscular-like structure is present. What do you call muscular-like structure? Is called epiglottis. It is the role of epiglottis is converted into or diverted into their respective system. Means the food comes from to digestive system and air comes from to respiratory system. It is the duty of epiglottis. Epiglottis role is what means. Once again I am repeated. Here epiglottis is a flap-like structure. What like structure? Flap-like structure. It is control the food movement and air movement. Means air goes to respiratory tract and food goes to digestive system. It is the duty of epiglottis. Okay. Next, air comes where the epiglottis. Epiglottis is the common place of food and air. Okay. That is called the pharynx. Next, again comes from starting of the respiratory system. Starting part is called what do you call? Larynx. It is called the voice box. It is the scientific name, and it is called the common name is voice box. What do you call? Voice box. Here voice box. Next again it is the pipe-like structure or appear here. Pipe-like structure. It is what you call trachea. What do you call? This is the what you call? This is what you call? Trachea. Trachea. Here C-shaped cartilage is there. C-shaped cartilage muscle surrounded by trachea. Trachea is the scientific name. Trachea is the scientific name. But it is common name is called windpipe. Common name is called windpipe. Again, a trachea divided into two parts. Divided into two parts. One part is entered to the one side lung or right side lung, and another part is the windpipe divided into left side lung. And these are the windpipe divided into bronchus. What do you call it? Is the bronchus. Bronchus divided into smaller and smaller bronchioles. Bronchioles end of the word means alveoli. A-like structures are appear here, green color. These are the alveoli. Alveoles here what contain alveoli surrounded by means blood. Our A where to entry means nose. nose to nostrils, nostrils to nasal cavity, nasal cavity to larynx, larynx to larynx, larynx to trachea, trachea to bronchus, bronchus to bronchiole, bronchiole to alveoli, alveoli to blood. Which gas entry to inside our body means oxygen. Oxygen enter into the various parts and again inner side the utilize oxygen, then again cells utilize the oxygen and carbon dioxide, water comes from return. These parts means blood to alveoli, alveoli to bronchioles, bronchiole to bronchus, bronchus to trachea, trachea to larynx, larynx to larynx, larynx to nasal cavity, nasal cavity to nostrils, nostrils to nose. It is the outside gas comes from the outside. Which gas comes from outside is carbon dioxide. And which gas is entry to inside the body? Oxygen. It is the model of respiratory system. See here, just imagine. Here, see the diagram and various parts are appear to explain about this. The first of all, nasal cavity. Okay, nasal cavity. When if you put your fingers, two fingers, just keep in your nose, what will happen? What will happen? What will happen? Put your finger, inner side the airs are at touch and inner side the mucus is sticky substances. Okay? Bell is ring. Our class also stop. Remaining part of the lesson Monday I will continue explain about this system.